Welcome to our explainer video on understanding credit scores, an essential guide. Credit scores play a crucial role in our financial lives, impacting our ability to obtain loans, credit cards, and other financial products. In this video, we'll explore what credit scores are, how they're calculated, and why they matter. So, what exactly are credit scores? Simply put, a credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, indicating how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Lenders use credit scores to assess the risk of lending to you. Several factors influence your credit score, including your payment history, credit utilization ratio, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. Understanding these factors is key to managing your credit effectively. Credit scores are calculated using complex algorithms that weigh each factor differently. By maintaining a positive payment history, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding excessive new credit inquiries, you can improve your credit score over time. Credit scores typically fall within different ranges, from excellent to poor. The higher your credit is, the better your chances of qualifying for loans and credit cards with favorable terms and lower interest rates. Your credit score can significantly impact your ability to secure financing for major purchases, such as homes and vehicles. It also affects the interest rates you'll pay on loans and credit cards, ultimately shaping your financial future. Improving your credit score is achievable with responsible financial habits, such as paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and monitoring your credit report regularly for errors or fraudulent activity. In conclusion, understanding credit scores is essential for making informed financial decisions and achieving financial stability. By applying the tips discussed in this video, you can take control of your credit health and build a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching our explainer video on understanding credit scores. Be sure to check out our other educational resources to enhance your financial literacy.